Hey everyone, this is Ahmed from Learning Steps. These days, people are very much concerned about how to visualize their data and to do the analysis. So there are a number of cases that we are looking forward towards some data sets over here, that how to get a proper data set and how to make the analysis over there. So why not to come up with an example of a simple daily life example by introducing myself. When I was in grade 1, I used to introduce myself, hey, my name is Ahmed and I study in grade 1. When I was in class 5, I used to introduce myself, hey, my name is Ahmed and I study in grade 5. And I love cooking. That's a weird thing for a 10-year-old to say that he loves cooking in class 5. When I moved to higher secondary, that my introduction was, hey, my name is Ahmed and I study pre-engineering. So it's a very much clear thing that I'll be moving towards the engineering field. And when I did my engineering from an engineering college, so my introduction came out, hey, my name is Ahmed and I am an electronic engineer. So in actual, what I'm doing, I'm building up a database of my life. I have a number of dimensional tables right now. I have a date table, I have my educational table, and I have my attributes table, my interests, my likings, my dislikings, and I'm building up a fact table the way I am right now. So to conclude all this database of my life and closing this session with my introduction, hey, my name is Ahmed and I love it when people are truly happy by taking the right decision at the right time and choosing the right platform. Microsoft Power BI.